Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. The Great Amazon Indian Festival sale is going on and I was looking for a nice leather sandal that can go well with both traditional dress and casual wear. While searching, I found this Woodland sandal in camel color and I really liked it. I got it for 1746 rupees while the price on the box is 3995. The size is 42 and it's made in India. So let's open the box. The box has Woodland branding and is sealed with tape. Before cutting, let me just shake it once. Yes, feels like the right product. Now I'll take my scissors and cut the tape. First look, wow, the color is just beautiful. The camel brown shade looks very classy. Now look at the sole. Thick grip and deep patterns. This is not going to wear out easily. On the back, you can see the Woodland logo and the strap comes with Velcro. The Woodland branding is also on the side and printed in front. The finish and stitching looks perfect. The shape is also different, like a crocodile's mouth or a boat with the front lifted up. There are plenty of side openings too, which means good airflow and less sweating. Coming to the strap, you can move it up and down, and it's fixed with Velcro on both sides. Once you open it, the sandal can be loosened easily. Inside, after removing the paper stuffing, it feels very smooth, no bumps, very comfortable to touch. Time to wear it. At first, it was a little tight, so I loosened the strap and then slipped my foot in. In the front, there's a small gap for my toes, but at the back, my heel is almost touching the edge. Maybe one size bigger would have been even better, but still, it feels comfortable. Funny thing, the left sandal actually fits a bit better than the right. On foot, it looks very stylish. With formal pants, it goes really well. And I'm sure with ethnic wear also, it will look perfect. Great option for functions, festivals or casual outings. Stylish, comfortable and honestly, I didn't expect such good quality for this price. Here are some views from different angles. I'm really impressed. I just hope they last long. So what do you think? Do these look stylish to you? Would you try them? And have you used Woodland sandals before? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and support me to make more such relatable content.